Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair has reported from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha that when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was bewitched, due to which he fancied that he had performed a task what he actually had not performed. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked his Lord and then said, "Do you know Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has notified me of the thing which I wished to know?" Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Two men came to me, one of them sat by my head, whereas the other beside my legs. One of them said to his companion, 'What disease has this man contracted?' He said, 'He has been charmed.' He inquired, 'Who has cast the spell on him?' The other replied, 'Lubayd bin Asam.' He asked, 'On what things?' He replied, 'On comb, hair fallen by the comb, outer husk of a male date palm.' He asked, 'Where are they?' He replied, 'In Dharwan.' Dharwan was the well of Banu Zuraiq. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam made for that well, and when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, its water is like the mixture of henna, and the date palms of that area are like the satin's heads.' Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on his return described the well. I submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why did not you get it out?' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has blessed me with recovery, so I dislike to publicize the mischief among the people.' Another report from Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha adds that she radiyallahu anha said, 'The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was charmed, so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeatedly made supplication. Remaining hadith is same as the aforementioned is Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 6391.